Hi guys, and welcome back to our tutorial series. In today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you a few things. One is going to be decal, second is going to be bullet spread, third is elevator. If I walk into it, you see it goes up and I become parent to this object, but looking left and right has been disabled. I can drop out the elevator and then it allows me to look around again. I'll explain that when we come to that tutorial, not right now. And aiming down the sight. That's animation based. I've got animation made for it already. If you haven't, you can use Unity's animation tool to quickly make yourself one, and I'll probably go through that as well. But the first thing I'm going to cover is the decal system. Let's create that first. So first of all, create a new cube, just name it wall, and give it a tag of wall as well, whatever tag you want. To add a tag, just quickly click on add tag and then just make one and then assign it to this object. Second, we're going to need a empty game object called decal holder, and I'll put underscore before it so it comes right on the top, and inside that I have my actual decal. Now I'll upload this decal to the site so you can download it and place it into this. So go to create empty, rename that to decal underscore holder, and then inside that will go the decal marker will go in there. Okay, and that's all we need in order to make the decal system work. So let's go into our reshoot script and define the variables we need. The first one's going to be var decals. It's going to be a type game object. Next one's going to be var decal this. It's going to be a type float. It's going to be equal to 0.01 and save. Close semicolon and save your scripts. Now scroll all the way to your reshoot function, and if you watch the window tutorial, we're going to place our if statement underneath there. Otherwise, just make sure it's placed before this closing bracket. So we're going to say if open bracket close bracket open curly brace closing curly brace, save, and we're going to say if hit dot collider dot game object dot compare tags open bracket close bracket double speech mark. We're going to say if the tag's name is wall, then make the decal appear. So we're going to say decal s decals dot transform dot position equals hit dot point. I'll explain all at the end. I'm just going to write the code down quickly. The next one's going to be a temporary variable called var decal clone, and it's going to be equals to instantiate open bracket. We're going to instantiate the decals comma hit dot point plus open bracket close bracket comma hit rotation closing semicolon at the end, and your closing bracket before this one. Inside these two, we're going to say hit dot normal times decal distance, which is where decal this. There we go. Save, and now after that we're going to say decal clone dot transform dot parent equals hit dot transform, and then destroy open bracket close bracket closing semicolon decal clone comma 8. That's all you need to do in order to make the decal system work. Now let's explain how this works. So we basically say if we hit a game object with the tag wall, in this case is this, we want the decal to appear on it. We want the decal's position to be equals to the hit point. Now the hit point is the end of the raycast, so that's where the decal is going to end up going. And then we have a temporary variable called decal clone. That's going to hold the decal clones, and it's going to instantiate it at the hit point. And this little part over here just basically keeps a little gap from the actual object and the decal. If you don't have that, you're going to see your decal starts to go through the wall, and it becomes very glitchy. You can see it going through the wall, and it starts to like give it a blinking effect. And this one is just to set the rotation for it. Once it instantiates it, it makes it the parent of the object it hits. So whatever object we hit with the raycast, it looks for that transform and parents that object to that. And then after 8 seconds it destroys it. And that should work. So let's go into Unity and find out. So here's our object. So if we shoot it, let me slow the volume down, it's going to bite my ears. There we go. Right, if I shoot this, oops, I haven't assigned the objects yet. Okay, decals, you need to assign the decal mark right over here. And that's it. Now run it. There you go, it works, perfect. And after 8 seconds it destroys. If you don't believe me, it parents itself. You can see it over here. If you click on this object and you see these are parented to it, I'll show you that one more time. Yep, there we go. So the decal is fully working. Now if you ask me how you do this for untagged objects, come on, it should be straightforward. Let's quickly go back into that script. You can copy this pretty much the whole if statement, place it underneath this one, and just put this as untagged. Save, and watch what happens. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Just call this decal clone untagged. Just copy that name and replace it where it says decal clone for the second if statement. And that's it. Oh, inside the destroy as well. There we are. Alright, now watch. If you shoot these untagged objects, they appear up as well. Okay, the untagged ones have a little bit of issue. We'll sort that out next time, do not worry. But yeah, as you can see, it fully works. And that's it. Yep, so yeah, that's the decal system. As always guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.